Hi folks, this is a simple tutorial, watercolour tutorial I've just done for my patrons. Just a river scene, gentle river, boat moored in the, well let's give it a bit of help there. Hold on, something I should have done. Just put a little red boy. This is just loosely based on the River Colne. In Essex, beautiful part of UK, northeast Essex, almost going into Suffolk. It's the river goes from the Backwater estuary up to Colchester and beyond, but it's not navigable up that far. They don't dredge the river these days, but it used to be accessible as Colchester. I've exaggerated the background. It was a tutorial after all, and I used the sky colours in the background, and I just put this row of trees and lifted out a couple of sheds, put a little bit of a boat there. Foreground, I know there's a dike that runs along here, and it's got a lot of bracken and blackberries and elderberry trees, that sort of thing. But it's a very beautiful place. I haven't done it justice here, I know. But anyway, hope you like it. Thanks for looking in, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.